What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We post wig videos, makeup, vlogs. I mean, just we're going with the vibes, whatever I feel like doing. But today's video is going to be on this install from Nadula hair. Very cute, doing the beach waves. And if you're not already following me on TikTok, make sure to go follow me. This is a TikTok that I posted on my page. And I'm going to start doing this in my videos so y'all can like get a little, taste of what's about to happen in the video before we get into it. So, like I said earlier, the wig is from Nadula Hair. This is a 150% density 5x5 pre-cut lace, pre-plucked hairline, glueless wig, y'all. This hair is a body wave texture, literally beautiful. Quality was top tier straight out the pack. Get up and go. I mean, like, you don't have to do anything to this but put it on your head. It comes with this adjustable strap in the back. This is 24 inches. And like I said earlier, we're getting into these beach waves, so keep on watching. So I already had this cap on. This is just an HD wig cap, and I didn't want to have to change it. What I did was just put some makeup on the middle part so it blends in with my skin and just hold it back. Very simple. I'm gonna be doing a beach wave look. I have not tried the beach wave look yet. I keep seeing it and I really want to. I think it's so cute, and I have my new T3. I'm about to keep talking about that in every video because I love this curling iron and I've been wanting it so bad. I already showed y'all the wig, and let's get into it. It's super easy. Another glueless install. I don't know if I want to spray this wig down or if I just want to leave it as is. We're gonna see once I get it on. I'll be using my Ruby Kisses in the level 15. I used Kiss Spray the last video, but the Kiss Spray looked a little dark, so I'm gonna go with the level 15 on the brighter side. I normally use this side, but I'm gonna use the other side just because my makeup is so light today. For the wig to truly have a flawless melt, it needs to be tight. Like, for it to look like it's laid down with nothing, it needs to be on the tighter side. It's not squeezing my head or anything, but it is on the tighter side. I love this. Oh my gosh. I might have to keep this one. I don't know. I like it. Middle part, easy enough. Doing the middle part less down with the beach waves. They're just waves. They're like curls with straight ends. Almost lost an eyeball. Oh my gosh. I almost lost an eyeball. Whoa. The lace on this is immaculate. The hairline is plucked beautifully. These new glueless wigs really make me think like they're just lazy in there, because they could have been plucking our wigs like this the whole time. Why do we have to pluck our wigs so much when they could just send them to us like this? They be really leaving their hairline on bulky so bad. This is gorgeous. I love this. Like, I really love the hairline. It looks so natural. I literally didn't do anything except for put my makeup on this wig. And I have a lot of these glueless wigs on the way. This is my second one today, and I just feel like so far this is the best one. I mean, it's only been two, so it's not too much comparison, but it's the best one so far. I'm just really impressed by the plucking on the wig. I'm gonna take my level 12 Ruby Kisses and go down the part just to widen it up. I don't like skinny parts. I think they don't look realistic. And make sure y'all are spreading your part in. Don't just let it sit there. Blend it in. Now for the waves. This hair is a great length. It's not even, I'm not even like showing you guys the full length because I have the video cropped in a little bit so you can really see what I'm doing. When we get to the end, I will show you the full wig. This is their body wave texture and it is so full. You would have thought this was deep wave or something. It's really, really full. I can't say, I've worked with Nadula hair, but it was so long ago, like I don't even remember. But the hair is really soft, very nice, minimal shedding. I'm running my fingers through, nothing. Very shiny, and it's very dark. It almost looks black, but I know that it's not black because they don't dye their wigs, but it looks black. I don't know, I'm amazed. I'm really, these are first impressions, guys. Like, I didn't do nothing to this wig. I'm really impressed. I'm not cutting any layers into this, I don't think. As a matter of fact, let's do some front layers. Just using my razor comb, and I'm just gonna go down in a diagonal. I still wanted it to look fairly natural, but I feel like face framing layers always just makes the install look natural and just takes it up a little notch, you know the vibes. I'm just gonna take section by section, and I don't even have to go deep into this hair because we're not going for volume, we're going for a specific look. I'm using my T3 iron. This is a 1 inch, and I'm just going to curl away from my face. You guys are gonna see what I'm doing, and I'm going to leave the ends out. Like, I have no reason to curl them. We want them to be straight. I'm gonna leave like 2-3 inches of hair just straight and then just curl the top part. Because this hair is body wave texture, I may need to go in and just make the end straight real quick. I curling iron over it just to straighten it out. So the first curl came out perfect. Literally, it looks great. Like I said, you don't have to go in and do a whole lot because we're not going for volume. We're literally going for just clean. So I'm going to do this in sections, but not like super small sections. I just want to make sure that the bottom is curled the same way as the top. And I want to do fairly big sections because I don't want super small curls. I'm gonna take my Sebastian shaper, spray the hair, and comb through. We're curling away from the face, and everything that I straighten, I'm just gonna stop there pretty much. It's like actually 4 or 5 inches on this part. And I'm just gonna leave all that straight and just curl the top, and I'm gonna do that for the whole entire head. This is the final look. I love this. It looks so good. I love the straight ends. I might have to be a beach waves girly. It's so sleek. It's so just neat. Very classy. And if you're looking to do a little something different but not too much, I think this is perfect. And it literally takes no time. I mean, once you do this one time, all you gotta do is touch it up, freshen it up, and just, you know, keep on doing it as you need to. But I really like this hair. Why this one is better than any other one that I've tried so far is just the plucking, period. Like, the plucking on this wig is really, really good. I am satisfied. I didn't have to touch it. If I had to touch it, I probably wouldn't have even tried to touch it because I just like the way that it naturally looks. It's shiny. I mean, quality is just there. I would definitely check the link in the description box. Make sure you hit the subscribe button on my channel if you're not subscribed yet. I do a lot of, you know, tutorials on different styles and installs and just like, you know, wig tips and things like that. A little bit of lifestyle, a little bit of vlogs, a little bit of, you know, makeup every once in a while. This is my new makeup look. If y'all are interested, let me know. I'll do an updated routine. I've been doing a little something different, same products, couple of new products, couple new things, but I'm enjoying these Glueless wigs. Like, they're so easy, they come ready. I don't have to do a whole lot as an influencer. I have a bunch of wigs to do. So the fact that these are here and I don't have to bleach and plug and do it's just like lightening my load a little bit. So I know it will lighten you guys' load. So definitely look into one of these ready to go, already ready glueless wigs. You don't even have to wear it glueless, you can lay it down. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my next video, or binge watch a couple of my old videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.